Hey there, this is Jill inviting you to Abundant Living Through Chaos. Chaos is full of opportunity. Chaos is merely energy that isn't contained. We just have to kind of pull it together. I'm going to show you an example of useful chaos. Chaos that's full of opportunity. This here is a bed in our greenhouse. We've got lettuce in the front of it, and then dill in the back, a little bit of spinach, and all that stuff in the middle there, those little weeds, those are lamb's quarter. That is opportunity. It looks chaotic and messy, but that is food opportunity. All those weeds, I'm going to eat them. That's wild spinach, and it is really good for your body. It is one of nature's huge gifts to your health. So, chaos. I was talking to someone in my group that I teach, the Abundant Living course, today, and she was telling me about how she has found that in the chaos of all that's going on, some things have fallen off. She's been able to do things that she hadn't thought she'd be able to do. And she's finding that there's a lot of opportunity for her to align her actions with what she wants. And she was saying, oh, I hope I can keep doing this afterwards. Whatever afterwards brings. Because normal, as we knew it before, may not be back. That might be a good thing for you, and that might not be. It'll be interesting under any circumstance. Chaos is full of opportunity. What have you discovered in this time? What things would you like to perpetuate beyond? What have you discovered that's really good? I'd love to hear in your comments below what you've learned or discovered. How have you grown through this? What would you like to keep going, to perpetuate? On Monday evening, I am offering you an invitation to come and tease it out a little bit. Figure out what is it that you value. Now that you've had a time that life has been upside down and you've had a chance to think about it a little bit, what is it that you value and that you believe that you want to keep going? What actions do you want to perpetuate? We're going to look at your creed. Your personal code is what provides you with a north, a compass point to orient your actions to. I know a lot of organizations have a code. Some call it their mission vision statement. The military has a code. The Ten Commandments, that's a code of behavior, very similar to the SEAL code, or the code of the Vikings, or the mission vision statement of Microsoft. You can have one too, and that's what we're going to do. Talk about what is it that you want, and what action plan can you make so that whatever the new normal is, as it evolves, you can stay aligned with it. Health is all about alignment. It's about integrity of actions with what you believe, what you want. So that's what we're going to talk about. Your personal creed. What is it that you want? Who do you want to be? How do you want your life to be? What do you believe about it? And what are you going to do about it? Check the video description for a code to register or a link to register so you can come join us. Comment. Put in the comments what you've discovered. I'd love to hear from you. And then go out and do it. Hope to see you Monday, and have an abundant evening.